What's up, guys? George here, Nine Pack Canine, Nine Pack Protection. West Palm Golf Sports Club. We got Kilo out of Caribbean Mist Kennels. We're going to be working on some leg work, bungee. Let's get to it. Our handler's counting me on my wife. Back. Bring him all the way to the front. Right there. Let him pull. Push the bungee down. There we go. Right there. Perfect. Pull him back. Reel him back. Slowly. Let him come in. Come in. Right there. There we go. Settle his brain. You can get a little closer, Mama. Settle his brain.
Good boy.
Ooh, that's good. That's
Good boy.
Good. Right there. So right here, I use these cones as my marker because whatever he comes up to here, it's not going to be the bite. He's going to stretch it because of the bungee. Good boy.
Good boy.
I just let him. There you go. Calm your. Ooh.
Good boy.
Oh, good boy. So I come in. Oh, big bite.
Good boy.
Come in. Oh, big bite. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Oh, pressure, pressure. Let him bite it. Oh. Oh. Oh, boy. Saddle. Ah, saddle. 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 Kilo. Really softly. Let him learn. Kilo. Pull always into the bite. Never pull away for the outs. Kilo. Stand right there. Stand your ground. Now, I see it. I see it. Beautiful. 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 So I pull right here. Straighten out the bungee. Pull right here. And then I let him dig in.
Good boy.
Oh.
Good boy.
Oh.
Good boy.
Straighten out to the spine. Keep it low. Keep your bungee on it, but keep it low. Right with his spine.
Good boy.
Oh. Yes. Kilo. No fight. Kilo. 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 Pull him back.